Hello eBay sellers, today we are thrilled to introduce to you a very new exciting tool that will take your eBay listing to a new heights. Yes, we are talking about eBay offside ads. You might be wondering what this exciting feature is all about. Let's dive in and find out. Offsite ads are an incredible offering by eBay that allows sellers like you to extend your reach beyond the eBay platform and promote your listing on popular external websites. In easy words, you can run ads for your eBay products on platforms like Google. Imagine how incredible this can be. I'm Shafat from Ecomclips, and today we are going to explore the significance and importance of eBay's offsite ads. Getting started with offsite ads is easy. You just need to enroll in the program, then eBay will automatically select and promote your listing on the websites like Google, Bing, Facebook, and Instagram. Imagine the exposure your products will receive on these widely platforms. It's a golden opportunity to attract more customers and supercharge your sales. This tool allows you to promote your entire eligible inventory on external channels such as Google Ads. And guess the best part? You only pay when buyers clicks on your ads. And eBay shows you the exact cost per click during the campaign creation process. It's all about giving you control and maximizing your advertising budget. So the question is, how do you enroll in the offsite ads program? Well, you need to log into your eBay sellers account, navigate the marketing tab, and select offsite ads. From there, follow the prompts to enroll and start reaping the benefits of expanded advertising. Once you launch your campaigns, your ads will be eligible to appear within 48 hours. Now, let's address which listings are eligible for offsite ads. Currently, only fixed price listings can take advantages of this feature, while auction listings are not eligible at this moment. Placement eligibility is subject to the policies and requirement of the external channels where your ads will be displayed. One important thing is to notice that once you create an offsite ads campaign, your listing will only appear on external channels through that specific campaign. They won't be eligible to appear on external channels via your promoted listing standard campaigns. So keep that in your mind before set up any kind of advertising plan. You may be wondering, how does eBay determine the cost per click for my campaign? During the closed beta, eBay assigned a customized CPC for each seller inventory based on the factors like competitions, relevance, and the quality. You will be able to see the CPC while setting up your campaigns, and it's designed to deliver the optimal performance. As eBay gathers more data, they will provide additional guidance and your CPC may change. Rest assured that eBay has your best interest in mind and will prompt you to update your campaign if necessary. Let's talk about the average daily budget. When you choose to run a continuous campaign, eBay calculates your total monthly budget. Over the courses of your campaigns, you won't be charged more than this total budget per calendar month. However, eBay may spend more or less than your average daily budget on a daily basis to capitalize on interested buyer when the demand is there. Ending a campaign prematurely may result in being charged up to 2x your daily average budget on a daily basis. Keep in mind that changes made to your daily average budget will affect your daily spending limit. Let's discuss the incredible benefits of using offsite ads. Firstly, it significantly increases the visibility of your listing, exposing them to wider audience and driving more potential buyers to eBay store. This expanded exposure can lead to higher sales and increases the revenue for your business. Secondly, offsite ads have the power to attract new customers who may not have stumbled upon your listing otherwise. Thirdly, offsite ads simplify the advertising process for sellers. You don't need to be marketing expert or spend hours optimizing campaigns. eBay takes care of all of the heavy lifting, ensuring that your listings are showcased in the right audience to the right time. So just sit back, relax, and just let eBay work its magic for you. Last but not the least, eBay provides you with a comprehensive analytics and performance data, offering valuable insights into how your offsite ads are doing. With the ability to track impressions, clicks, and sales generated by your ads, you can make informed decisions about your marketing strategies and continuously improve your results. Remember, we are here to help you if you encounter any kind of difficulties for your eBay offsite ads. Feel free to contact us via info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check our website www.ecomclips.com, where you will find useful blogs, resources that can significantly benefit your businesses. Our dedicated team is ready to provide you with the best solutions. If you found it helpful, remember to like, comment and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you tremendous success with eBay offsite ads.